about spiritual? Why the word spiritual is coming in your mouth? You are uttering the word spiritual, spiritual, spiritual. What is spiritual? Why that word is coming in your mouth?
Because the reason I say most often that word is, there is 95% of the people which you see here are materialistic, bookish people. But 95% of our things happens outside of that book. It's not the book only 5%.
No, I tell you what is spiritual. A spiritual person always will be balanced. I told you the first day, Kama, Krodha, Lobha, Moha, Mada, Matsaryam. All these things will be balanced. Why you have to enter into spirituality? Since I don't know whom am I don't know. That is why all these sufferings are coming. If you know who you are, you never feel bad. You think that you think that I am happy or my surroundings are happy? I am happy, but the surroundings not happy. I am a guru, I am not a sannyasi, I am not a Swamiji. I am a family man, I have my own problems. But nothing disturbs me. I don't want to tell anything in a very open manner. Every family man have got their own problems. Without problem, there is no survival. You are coming to existence with the problem. You should learn how to live with the problem. If you learn how to live with the problem, there won't be any sorrow. There won't be any sadness. Whether you gain the happiness or not, whatever sorrow is given to you, whether you get the sorrow or somebody is giving the sorrow, you never get the sorrow. How to balance the mind? The mind is functioning because of the ego. Ego is the main culprit who is doing all moral practices inside the body. If you are able to manipulate the ego, manage the ego, then you become alright. There is no medicine for any this thing. All these chemicals will give you temporary solution, not permanent solution.
I know.
All these chemicals, wherever you go, the best doctor in the world.
I get irritated when doctors say, okay, you take this medicine, you take this. For me, I get angry, Guruji.
No, doctor, they never listen to you.
Okay, I will give you.
They never analyze.
Steroids.
They never bother about you because you are not the only person. Per day they are not visiting this thing, seeing one
I know.
one person. It is this thing, process. They are also human beings, they cannot dedicate themselves for entire life. Whatever medicines they know, whatever diseases they know, accordingly they prescribe. They never get into the root of the cause of this thing. They never knew the cause. As you told, whatever the medical books tell, accordingly they prescribe the medicine. But it is beyond the book and beyond the medical this thing. Almost American Medical Association has declared 75% of the illness is because of the mind. You are in America. American Medical Association already declared much of the diseases are coming because of the mental imbalance. How to give medicine for the mind? Can you find the mind? You can find the eye. You can find the ear. You can find the stomach. Whichever organ you have, you can find it all. But mind is also an organ inside the body. do you find the mind? To which part of the mind you can give medicine? So nobody can treat the mind by giving medicine. Even soul, all are Sukshma Rupa Sariram. The organs cannot be seen, can be felt. You told chakra, 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 so many words you are told. Can you see the chakra? Of course, if you practice the spiritual this thing, automatically you can feel the chakra. Any part which are connected to spiritual things inside the body can be felt, cannot be seen. If a part cannot be seen, you cannot give medicine. The basic thing you need, the medicine is love and affection. You need love and affection. You are lacking it. That is the main problem. Your expectations are more. The people surrounding you are not giving you the 100% love and affection.
Yeah.
That is the main problem for you.
Not just that, it's toxic also.
In Bhagavad Gita, Krishna told, do your duty, don't expect anything. Don't try to reap the benefits of this thing. Actions. I will reap it. You don't worry. You do it. The problem with you is, you expect so many things from the surrounding.
Yeah.
That is the problem with you. You need self-realization. In the sense, why you have to come into existence. Simply practicing meditation, Kundalini Yoga, Vasa Yoga will never give you anything. What is enlightenment? Can you tell me?